A while ago I posted videos about my paint pouring mixes for artist paints and dried pigments. Now I want to give you my beginner's recipe. Before you invest a lot of money in GAC 800 or Liquitex pouring medium, you should find out if you like doing it. And the recipe is 4 parts paint to 4 parts flood Floetrol to 1 part water. So if you're using a 2-ounce bottle, you would have 2 ounces of paint, 2 ounces of flood Floetrol, and 1 tablespoon of water. So here I have 1 cup of Floetrol in 2 different jars, and so just gonna pour in my dazzling metallics. You really don't want to watch that happen, so be back in a minute. I've got a big old jar of paint all mixed up, and so now I'm going to show you how I get ready to pour. I'm going to double check the viscosity. First I'll stir it a little bit, make sure, and then, yep, it piles up on there. And it pours off in a stream. Perfect. So you add 1 drop of silicone to this. It's about 2 ounces. And if you want larger cells, you just stir it like that. If you want little bitty lacing cells, you stir it a whole bunch and break it up. And then that's my beginner's basic mix with flood Floetrol and craft paint. Thanks for watching. Bye.